A cylindrical tub of radius 5 centimeter and length 9.8 centimeter is full of water. Let us draw the cylindrical tub first. This is our cylindrical tub. It is full of water. Okay, what are the dimensions? Radius 5 and length, that is height, is equal to 9.8 centimeters. Okay, a solid in the form of right circular cone mounted on hemisphere. That means we have a solid which is in the shape of cone mounted on hemisphere. This one is immersed into the tub. Okay, the radius of the hemisphere is 3.5. So radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters, and the height of the cone outside the hemisphere is 5. So that means this height of the cone is equal to how much? It is equal to 5 centimeters. Find the volume of the water left in the tub. So water left in the tub will be equal to volume of this cylinder minus volume of this solid, right? Okay, first let us find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, it is equal to how much? Pi r square h, volume of the cylinder formula. Pi, will substitute the value of pi in the last. What is the value of r? 5 into 5 into h, 9.8. Okay, so this will give us 245 pi. This is volume of this cylinder. Okay, so let us find the volume of this solid. So volume of this solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, right? So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So what can we take common from here? We can take pi r square common. So pi r square common, h by 3 will be left, h by 3 plus pi r square, if you take common 1 r, so 2 by 3 r will be left, right? Okay, we can take 3 also common. Let us take out 1 by 3 also common, right? So pi r square by 3. Pi, what is the value of r? 3.5. Okay, so 3.5, can we write it as 7 by 2? Yes, let us write 7 by 2, 7 by 2. This is by 3 into h. H is how much? 5. 5 plus 2 into 7 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled here. We'll have pi into 7 into 7 by 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12, 5 plus 7 is left here, right? So 5 plus 7, 12. So this 12 will get cancelled. We'll have 49 pi. Okay. So volume of this solid is equal to how much? 49 pi. Now volume of water left will be equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of solid, right? So volume of solid cylinder, we got it as 445 pi minus volume of solid 49 pi. So this will give us 196 pi. So let us substitute pi value now. 196 into 22 by 7. So this will go 28 times. So 28 into 22, 616. Okay, so volume of water left is equal to how much? 616 centimeter cube. All right.